Hey everyone, Michael here. So I thought we'd have some fun today and look at the most profitable coins over the last 27 days year to date, okay? We've had such a big move and so many of these coins have been running. I want to show you guys which coins I'm pretty much scaling out of and which ones are just having an amazing time that you guys might not have heard of because it's not Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin, okay? Now, let's get started. Let's hit year to date. And you can see right here, Aptos. This is something I bought a while ago. I only bought a few $100 worth, but it has been outperforming drastically, especially since the beginning of this year. So I've decided to take off about 80% of my holdings here just to kind of say, hey, I've made some money. Let's see where the last 20% kind of runs up here, and I'm perfectly happy with it. You can see as we go down, we have threshold up over 200%, optimism 150. Solana is interesting. It's up at 143%. However, it's not up past those highs from past 90 days because, of course, FTX really smashed down Solana and is making up a lot of those gains off of those previous losses, okay? Got Fracture here, Phantom. If you guys have never traded some of these, as long as they're on a reputable exchange, I would say give it a shot because they have been doing very, very well so far. Look at this, 80% so far. Of course, as we get to some of these higher market cap ones, they do get a little bit lower. But just because, we always look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are tons of other coins out here having some massive rallies. So I encourage you guys to take a look at it. Even some of the ones down here that are only in the 30% range, higher market caps, some are even higher market caps. I would still be paying attention to some of these because I think they do have a little bit more room to pump up, especially with everything else that's been going on. The only things that I really haven't been doing fantastic is the Hubi token. That's pretty much it. Everything else is a stable coin. Um, and Hubi token is just the only thing that really has not been performing too well. Now, to go over here to the second 100, you can actually see Singularity Net. This one's up actually over 284%. We're seeing a lot of big booms. Conflux over here going out of nowhere. I need to add some of these to my watch list now because it looks like a whole bunch of stuff is changing and a whole bunch of technical analysis here is changing. You can see my GMT, my little starred stuff here that I own, doing fine. Ocean Protocol doing awesome. Audius doing awesome. I'm also scaling out of some of these, but these are some of the plays I bought when they were like dirt cheap, and I was like, they're gonna have to rally eventually. I'll sell them when they rally, and I'll buy back more after they come back down, which I do think they will. Not all the way, but a considerable amount, right? You can even see Harmony. Look at these plays. See if you guys can find any of these to trade, because if you can find a couple of these with leverage, whenever the market does reach its short-term peak, these types of assets that have been booming up so much, you're going to see them come down very, very heavily. And if we kind of continue going down here, you'll see we're actually still in the 40s, while with the top 100, we were in the 30s and 20s by now, which kind of shows you that some of these low market cap coins, they can have a lot of fun. Even Dogecoin Mars, it's only at 15%, most likely because Dogecoin's only up like 20%, I believe, at this point in time. Those are still opportunities for you guys to find some money and have some fun here. And then you see stuff like this. Neutrino USD, that's down 28%, Chain down 6. There's only 2 on this list that are down, and on the first page, you can only see 1 that was down. So majority of the big moves here have been very solid and powerful. Hope you guys will have some fun trading some of these on the way back down as we all kind of had fun trading them on the way back up. Have a good day, everybody, and I hope to see you guys tonight.